What's up, truth seekers? What if I told you that millions of humans might be carrying alien DNA right now? That genetic material from extraterrestrial sources has been inserted into our genome, potentially affecting human evolution itself. A controversial new study is making exactly these claims, and the implications are absolutely mind-blowing. Let's dive in. Before we unpack this bombshell discovery, don't forget to subscribe to Second Universe 360. We bring you the most controversial, cutting-edge discoveries about aliens, UFOs, and unexplained phenomena that mainstream media won't touch. Hit that subscribe button and notification bell because this story is just the beginning. Now, let's talk about what could be the most important genetic discovery in human history. Dr. Max Rempel, founder of the DNA Resonance Research Foundation, claims to have found evidence of alien genetic manipulation in human DNA. We're not talking about small mutations, we're talking about large sections of genes that appear to have been inserted into people. Here's what he discovered. In analyzing 581 complete families from the 1000 Genomes Project, Rempel found large sequences of DNA in 11 families that matched neither parent. Think about that, genetic material that didn't come from mom or dad. The most shocking part? A cluster of 348 non-parental genetic variants, with some found in children born before 1990. That's crucial, because human gene editing technologies like CRISPR only emerged in 2013. So if these insertions are real, they couldn't have been done by human scientists. According to Rempel, if confirmed, this discovery could fundamentally alter our understanding of human evolution. He believes humanity may be undergoing genetic transformation, and it might be possible to identify which humans carry alien DNA, essentially identifying hybrids among us. Now, let's be clear, this study hasn't undergone peer review yet, and Rempel himself admits his findings are preliminary. He says they need better data sets and more rigorous analysis to draw conclusions.
But here's what makes this intriguing. Rempel didn't just look at random DNA. He also reviewed genetic data from individuals who self-identify as alien abductees using 23andMe results. Some families showed strings of non-parental markers, though others didn't. The problem? Current commercial genetic testing isn't precise enough to confirm such radical claims. Rempel advocates for next-generation sequencing, the highest resolution genetic analysis available, which could definitively identify what he calls alien insertions. And get this, Rempel suggests that future studies might reveal humans developing unusual abilities like telepathy as a result of these genetic modifications. He also speculates that a high percentage of neurodivergent people, those with autism, ADHD, or Asperger's, could potentially carry these insertions, though this remains unproven. Of course, this research has attracted serious skepticism. UFO researcher Nigel Watson points out the small sample size and the challenges of studying self-reported abductees. Alien abduction experiences can stem from various psychological and terrestrial factors, he notes. Technical errors or unknown biological mechanisms could also explain these anomalies. Most public DNA databases contain old data from cultured cells, and culturing can produce genomic changes that might be mistaken for something alien. Even NASA and the US Pentagon have stated that alien life doesn't exist, though some might argue they have reasons to keep certain information classified. But here's what's fascinating. Even skeptics like Watson admit that if this were proven, it would be as world-shattering as recovering a flying saucer. Both he and Rempel agree that further genetic research with volunteer abductees could provide groundbreaking insights. Let's talk about what this could mean if it's real. Rempel raises profound ethical questions. If alien DNA can be identified in humans, how should those individuals' rights be protected? Should they be treated differently? Studied? Rempel advocates for what he calls literacy in alien hybridization, suggesting we need to consider how much alien genetic influence is healthy for our planet and even which alien races we might give priority to. That's a staggering thought, the idea that humanity might need to make conscious decisions about our genetic relationship with extraterrestrial species. It sounds like science fiction, but Rempel is treating this as serious scientific inquiry. The researcher continues to seek funding and access to better DNA databases. He's looking for families willing to provide samples and pay for high-resolution sequencing to definitively prove whether extraterrestrial forces are influencing human genetics.
So what do you think, Second Universe 360 family? Could millions of us be carrying alien DNA without knowing it? Are some humans actually hybrids? Drop your thoughts below. Do you believe alien genetic manipulation is possible? Should we be doing more research into this? Could this explain certain unexplained human abilities? If this blew your mind, smash that like button. Subscribe to Second Universe 360 for more controversial discoveries, and let me know what other mysteries you want us to investigate. Remember, the truth might be written in our DNA. Until next time, keep questioning everything.